Birds migrate to feed and breed as the environments in which they live change over the seasons. Some birds migrate to new location over land, while others migrate over the ocean. And as a result, different approaches are taken to travel over the specific terrain. When traveling over the ocean, birds tend to take a path that is most efficient because there's nowhere for them to stop. This causes all birds who fly over the sea to use the same route, which in turn is the most efficient and safest path. When traveling over the land, birds are able to stop as needed and take more breaks throughout their trip, causing it to usually take longer. This results in birds that travel over the land to take a variety of different routes and paths to their final destination. Depending on the terrain over which the bird is flying, this determines how important efficiency is and the path they choose to take, whether they're flying over the sea or if they're flying over the land.